Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the monitor's input options and the keyboard type so you avoid compatibility surprises. Plug the keyboard into the monitor's USB upstream port or USB-C input. This enables pass-through. If using a wireless keyboard, insert the dongle into the monitor's USB port and power on both devices. Once done, switch the monitor to the correct USB upstream mode in its menu to allow keyboard signals to pass through to the connected computer. Next, access the monitor's OSD to enable USB upstream or the KVM feature. This is how the monitor forwards keyboard input to the host. Select the port that matches your display cable. Some monitors require you to pair a specific USB port with an HDMI or DisplayPort input. On the computer side, make sure drivers are installed. If your keyboard needs special drivers, install them now. If you're switching between two computers, use the monitor's input, switch to control which machine receives keyboard input. Finally, test the keyboard in a text editor and exercise special keys to confirm full functionality. If keys fail, first reconnect the monitor's upstream cable and try a different USB port on the PC. Loose cables are the most common issue. Make sure the monitor firmware is current and reset the monitor to defaults if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if the wireless dongle isn't recognized, plug it directly into the PC to verify keyboard operation, then return it to the monitor once confirmed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.